In these problems, we are multiplying more mixed numbers, and there's a bunch of steps to this. You've got to convert them to improper fractions first, do the multiplication, and then you can either convert back to a mixed number and then simplify, or you can try some canceling of common factors along the way to make things simpler. And I think we're going to try that today. So if you're not as familiar with that, that's something you can keep your eye out for. So first step, we're going to convert to improper fractions. So we multiply the denominator by the whole number part. 3 times 7, that's 21. And we add that up here. 21 plus 4 is 25, so that's our numerator. The denominator stays 7. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing with the second one. 5 times 2, that's 10. And then we add that up here. We get 11 fifths. Now, these two fractions are multiplied by each other. So anything I see on the top, I can cancel with something on the bottom. And I can think of 25 as 5 times 5. So I could cancel a 5 out of there. If I did that, this would turn into a 1 and this would turn into a 5. It's like I've divided 25 by 5. That's going to make it easier. That's our canceling of factors along the way. Now we can go ahead and do our multiplication because I don't see any more factors to cancel. 11 is prime, 7 is prime, 5 is prime. So 5 times 11 is 55, and 7 times 1, just 7. Last step, convert this back to a mixed number. So how many 7s are in 55? Well, 7 times 8 is 56, so this must be 7. And 7 times 7 is 49, so I'm taking 49 away from 55. So 55 minus 49, that's going to equal 6. So this is 7 and 6 sevenths. Let's try one more. So here we have 2 and 1/5 times 4 and 4/9. We'll convert to improper fractions first. Multiply this, we get 10. Add it, we get 11 over 5. Multiply here, we get 36. Add it, we get 40 over 9. Now, the 11 doesn't cancel with anything. But 40 is 5 times 8. So if I cancel that, I would get an 8 here. So 11 times 8 is 88. And 9, well, this really, we think of that as being a 1 after we've divided the 5 away. So 88 over 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, so how many 9s are in 88? Well, it's almost 10, right? Because 2 more would give you 90. So it's got to be 9 and something. So 9 times 9 is 81. Oh, and if I take 81 away from 88, I get 7. So 9 and 7/9 is going to be our answer. So that is a little bit of work with multiplying mixed numbers.